Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This explanation will help you understand how the model answer effectively addresses the email task. If you need more time to read the complete email text on your screen, please feel free to pause the video now. First, let's see how the email successfully covers all three required points from the prompt. The writer clearly introduces themselves in the first paragraph stating, "My name is Alex Chen. I recently moved into apartment 3B. Next, the invitation for coffee is clear. I was wondering if you would be interested in having a coffee with me sometime next week. Lastly, the email asks for specific recommendations for two local places, mentioning a need to find a reliable grocery store and a pleasant park nearby. The organization of the email is also very good. It begins with a polite and suitable greeting, "Dear neighbor." The information is presented in clear paragraphs. The opening paragraph sets the context by introducing the sender. The second paragraph focuses on the coffee invitation, providing details like a suggested place. The third paragraph clearly outlines the requests for local information. The overall tone is friendly and respectful, which is perfect for approaching a new neighbor you haven't met yet. This explanation will help you understand why the model answer choosing option A is a strong response. If you need more time to look over the full answer text, please feel free to pause the video now. The response clearly states its preference in the first sentence. I believe that offering a series of international cooking classes would be the better choice. It then provides solid reasons to support this choice. For instance, it mentions that cooking classes can bring people together and provide a practical skill. The writer also contrasts this option with computer classes, suggesting cooking offers a more unique, interactive experience. The organization of the answer is effective. It starts with a clear statement of choice. The body of the response uses 2 paragraphs, each presenting distinct arguments. The first paragraph focuses on the social benefits and practical skills gained from cooking. The second paragraph acknowledges the alternative but reinforces the advantages of the chosen option. Helpful linking words like firstly, also, and therefore are used to connect ideas smoothly. The vocabulary is appropriate for the B1 level, but it also includes well-placed B2 stretch words such as interactive and enhance, which add to the quality of the response without making it too difficult. Let's look at why the model answer supporting option B effectively addresses the survey question. You can pause the video at any point if you'd like more time to read the full sample answer. This response clearly indicates its preference right at the beginning, stating, I think that choosing to offer a basic computer skills course for beginners would be the most beneficial option. The writer then provides strong justifications for this choice. Key reasons include that computer skills are essential for many everyday tasks and that such a course empowers individuals. The structure of the answer is logical and easy to follow. It begins with a direct statement of the chosen option. The main arguments are presented in 2 separate body paragraphs. The first paragraph highlights who would benefit from the course and how. The second paragraph emphasizes the fundamental importance of computer literacy in modern life. The response ends with a clear concluding sentence that reinforces the writer's opinion. The tone is appropriately semi-formal and persuasive. The writer uses simple linking words like firstly, for example, and therefore, to ensure the ideas flow well. The vocabulary is mainly at the B1 level, making it accessible.